What's wrong with you, dude?
Give it to him. You okay? Did they break the window? You okay, eh? Cool.
Fatality.
Hágale, Rampi, pegándome con aquí.
¿Por qué te mandás hacia la avenida? Al medio te mandaste. ¿Querés entrar a la avenida? Quedate a la derecha. Yo vengo por el medio. Te mandaste adelante mío. ¿Querés verlo en la filmación? ¿Querés que te lo vea? ¿Querés que te lo muestre? Bueno, mirá. Frená a cero, mirá y después te mandás. Sí. No, casi me mata nomás. Una boludez. Casi me mata nomás. Nada, cornudo. ¿Qué? Mirá el espejo, mirá el espejo.
Perdóname.
Listo. ¿Por qué me tocamos ir entonces?
Really, nigga?
Tocame el culo entonces.
Oh my god! You just ran out in front of me! Oh my god! Oh! Oh! Are you okay? Fuck! Are you okay? She just ran out in front of me as I was filtering.
You alright?
Yeah. Fuck man, she came out of nowhere.
Try and give you some space.
Cheers, yeah, I'm okay. Yeah, I'm fine, man.
You can take a bit that side.
Yeah, hold on.
Should I do it for you?
Can you ring the police?
No, I'm just I just saw you there.
Fucking hell. As well, I got it on camera. Shit. Did I hit your van?
Yeah, you're so I don't happen, man.
She just ran out in front of me.
You're right though, yeah?
Yeah, I'm fine, man.
Yeah, for what the f was that? Yeah, but it's alright, just don't scratch now.
Alright, that's alright, man.
Yeah, that's
Fuck.
alright. Alright, mate. I'm alright, yeah. You
Fuck,
alright,
man.
yeah? You alright?
She just came out. She just ran straight out in front of me. Got it here. Oh, sorry, you okay?
Yeah, I'm all good, man.
She ran out in front of me. I got it on here.
Yeah.
Are you okay, man?
Calling her husband.
Ah,
Okay.
yeah, I'm.
Okay, my husband's nearby. He'll go with me. I am so sorry.
No, that's alright.
Actually, you both are okay.
Can we get you don't touch it?
Oh,
You
yeah,
wanna
my
sit
bike's.
down?
My bike's damaged.
Right, the guy, you know,
Yeah.
oh, the car, 200.
Did I hit you?
No, you
No, I've got it on camera.
on my car. Huh? You've got everything. Right?
Yeah, I've got it on here. A guy running out in front of me. Thank you, though. Thank you.
It's finally there. It's finally.
Yeah, come on, man. Are you stupid, mate? Do you not see that fucking roadworks? Do you not see the roadworks?
Hit people's property,
If
mate.
you're close enough for me to hit your car, you're driving like a cunt.
Don't hit my fucking car, mate.
Have I? Don't drive close to me, you prick. Do you not see? Do you not see the fucking roadworks?
Don't push me, mate. And don't bang on people's property.
Okay, and then don't swerve.
Did I
and
hit
bitch at
you?
me.
Did I hit you?
How about
Did
that?
I hit you? If I ever thought I was
Don't
getting
take
too close
chances
to you,
with
I
other
would have
people's
rode my
lives.
car into that centre barrier. I would
Right,
never
okay.
hit you.
Or you can just fucking wait.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Wait a few seconds.
Look at the size of your fucking car. Slow down, you prick. Fucking hell. Look how far he got. You c.
People are going super slow. Dude. What the hell? What the hell? That is exactly how I react when people try to fucking be crazy with me. It is let them by, dude. I would rather have that problem driver in front of me rather than behind me riding my butt. That way I don't have to worry about if somebody's got a negative attitude toward bikers or something like that.